Yo, yo quiero par de millones. Chillin', chillin', chillin'.
Que lo que, mi gente en YouTube. So you started right when I started recording.
Was I looking at you?
Anyways, today, as you can tell by the title of the video, we are putting the exhaust on my little sister's Hyper Blue exhaust. Actually,
Hyper Blue BRZ?
BRZ. Hyper Blue BRZ. I can't talk right now. Anyway, we are gonna get started with this little axle bag that she got from one of my boy James, the one who actually gave me my exhaust and my headers. He had this exhaust and he switched it up and he was like, bro, I got this exhaust. I was like, my sister wants it, let me go get it. So I went and I got it. So shout out to James once again. He's always giving me everything, bro. My BRZ plug. This is supposed to be an easy install, right? But here's the problem. It is too dark, for one, for you guys to see. And two, you guys can't really see that. But her exhaust is rusted really bad. Really bad that it actually broke one of my ratchets and the extension. That's how bad it is. So I went and brought out the grinder. We're gonna have to, you know, take these bolts off in order to get this exhaust off and then put this one on. So stay tuned, and we're actually gonna give you a little exhaust clip right now of how it sounds with the stock exhaust, and then after we'll show you what it sounds like with the exhaust. Let me get started with that. I'm probably just gonna time lapse it to be real with you because this is gonna be a long, I don't know how fast this is gonna go, especially because these bolts are rusted, but let's see. I don't know. What happened? You retired?
False. She's not doing it.
You did one.
You getting it, Milena? You gotta push it. Push it. It'd be easier if you push it.
I could just screw it down. Unscrew it in my hands.
It's hot though.
I don't think so. Oh.
It's good?
Yeah.
Hey, finally.
Fuck, look at that. Dusty ass.
Bruh, this shit didn't want to come out. Alright, now time for round two. Let me get the top one off.
Lego.
What happened?
Start it, Milena. Start the car.
Push the start.
That's it.
That's it. That's all we're doing.
Yup, we're leaving it. No muffler.
Ready? No, leave it there, leave it there.
She's about to turn it on with no exhaust.
No exhaust.
Well, no muffler.
Oh my god. No, me deja esa vaina así. Deja esa vaina así. Señor, no, deja esa vaina. Deja esa vaina.
No way, bro.
right, turn it up.
Oh yeah, turn it off.
Now let's actually put the exhaust
Yeah,
on.
you don't want it to get too hot.
This is gonna be easy.
Close the door before you back it up.
All right, you ready? Move this exhaust out the way.
Yeah, this is about to be easy.
Now your reaction to how it looks. Look at it.
Is this
Get out of here. Get out.
Ah, dirty.
Yeah. What you about to say?
It doesn't look very different right now, and it's
The burnt tips.
dirty as fuck.
It's
No, but
big
the burnt
though,
tips.
and it's
You can see it
not
from here.
inside.
Fuck out.
But
It
here,
is inside. It's just a little.
here, hold the camera.
Mila,
Hold the
come over
camera.
here.
Hold the camera while I go turn it on for you.
Right,
Oh my, let me run it. I gotta run it. No, that's how I'm gonna take off at every stoplight like this.
All right, fumes.
Where'd it pop up? Where'd it pop up? It pop up. It pop up. Agarra the plug, agarra the Lisa.
Screw-doo, pop, pop.
Yeah, dum 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 dum.
She hasn't even. Hold on. Here. Ready?
That's my car.
It's fine.
You're good.
The mosquito.
Oh, the door's open, sweetheart. I don't know if you can stop.
Keep going.
Come in.
Keep going. Loosen it all the way. The other way, Milana. You're tightening it.
There's other shows I made a list to watch.
Can you pull it up?
I still ain't watched One Piece. 'Cause fuck One Piece, bro.
Pull it up.
Bro, I don't care.
New episode came out last night.
Damn, I'm not that.
You know how?
You're that high, bro.
You know how Xbox be having the things that they advertise.
Coilover's coming soon.
Coilover's coming soon.
What
And
the?
it's
For real, I'm that high. We
You know,
didn't
it's
even
like
put that shit
One
up.
Piece season 101. I'm like, that's all I needed to see. I was like, oh,
Hey, you got an exhaust now.
bro,
Can barely see it, but.
101. I'm like, bro.
No matter, you can see it, you can hear it.
You watching Attack on Titan?
All right, pull it up.
Be right back, nigga.
She said, "Be right back." Hey, drive by here. Yeah, nigga.
I know, right?
Relax. You'll get the driver when we go to Walmart.
Alright,
Yo.
I had a bun and it don't work like that. That's all.
It sounds good though.
Alright guys, so as you guys know, it is a couple days later. It is no longer the day that we installed this exhaust. I was gonna end the video there, but I actually wanted to get a couple clips of her car driving by and rolling and all this other stuff. So we're gonna do that. It's like 8:30 in the morning right now. It's actually like time before I go to work. I gotta go to work in like the next hour. But yeah, she's gonna give you a quick cold start so you guys can hear it. And again, this is just an axle back. I'm gonna get the actual company name in a second, but this is just an axle back exhaust on the Subaru BRZ. Sounds really good. There you go. Now I got it quiet down. The cold start is actually, it's really nice. It's really nice. Not as loud as that one, but it's really nice. That is the end of this video. How do you like it? You like your exhaust?
Obsessed.
Obsessed. It sounds really good. It sounds really good. Thanks again to James for reaching out and saying that you know, he had an exhaust available. I don't, you probably won't see it till I upload it, but I actually said that I went and I got it. And I didn't realize I said that till after I was editing it. But
That's
she
not
went.
what happened. I went myself.
Yeah, she went and she got it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more work being done on the Hyperblue BRZ, let us know in the comments down below. I appreciate every single view. I upload twice a week, and stick around. There's gonna be plenty more things to come, right? Hella things to come. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.